What's up, guys? Jamaica is the land of speed, rhythm, and champions. For years, this island has produced legends from Usain Bolt to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, from Elaine Thompson-Herah to the rising stars lighting up the track today. But what's happening right now in the 2025 season? You need to see it because Jamaica is on the verge of something historic again. This isn't just about medal. This is about legacy, pride, and the future of Jamaican sprinting.
9.96 seconds personal best, 10.15 for the 2018 knockout 100 meters gold medalist. Let's see what he does here.
Kendall Williams from the United States
has run a seasons and personal best at 9.93 seconds. He's a 24th world under 100 meters gold medalist, can go very fast.
Oblique Seville.
9.86 seconds personal best. This is a season opener over 100 meters. 2023 World Championship 4x1 bronze medalist, has finished 3 times outside the medals at global events.
You could see the rain there. Zarnell Hughes runs out of lane 4.
9.83 seconds for Zarnell Hughes, the UK 100 and 200 meters record holder, 2023 World Championship bronze medalist in this event. He's a 4-time European Championship gold medalist as well. Expect him to go very fast. Has gone 99.6 over 200 already.
Defending world champion Noah Lyles.
9.83 seconds is fastest. Says he wants to break the stadium record of 9.75 set by Johan Blake, the 2023 World Championship 100 meters gold medalist, a 3 times a World Championship 200 meters gold medalist, and a bronze medal at 200 meters at the Olympics. The Olympic gold individual gold medal eludes him, but his bet of getting one comes in Paris.
Gets a good reception from the Jamaican crowd. In lane 6 from Kenya, Ferdinand Omanyala.
His 9.77 seconds is the African record. 9.98 already this season. That was his season's best run at the Prefontaine Classic last week. And he's, of course, the 2022 Commonwealth Games 100 meters gold medalist.
Lane 7 has Kadrian Goldson.
The Jamaican from Sprint Tech, under the guidance of Maurice Wilson, 9.94 at his best, 10.10 seconds, his season's best done at the Jamaica Athletics Invitational Meet, the 2023 World University Games champion.
And in lane 8, Josephus Lyles.
10.03 seconds personal best, has got to 10.14 this season. The brother of Noah Lyles, 2022 knockout 200 meters bronze medalist. He has also run a win-aided 9.97 this year. Let's see if he can go below 10 seconds this race.
Lane 1 sees Taekwondo Tracy. Lane 2, Kendall Williams. Lane 3, Oblique Seville. Lane 4, Zarnell Hughes. Lane 5, Noah Lyles. Lane 6, Ferdinand Omanyala. Lane 7, Kadrian Goldson, and lane 8, Josephus Lyles. The last event of Racers Grand Prix 2024, the 100 meters for men.
This event to pull the curtain down on the 6th staging of the Racers Grand Prix, the men's blue ribbon event, the marquee event, the set position. Lyles got a cracking start. Hughes, Seville, and Omanyala trying to stay with them. Seville is running a stout race. Lyles coming by him. Oblique Seville produces a stunning performance. Big performance on the big occasion. That was a stunning, scorching, and superb sprinting by Oblique Seville. Upstaging the world champion Noah Lyles.
We're lead.
Big performance. 9.82, a new lifetime best for Oblique Seville, a new world leading. What a way to pull the curtain down on this meet. A stunning performance with an exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark in Spencer. Oblique Seville from gun to tape. Got a stirring start. Moved away from Noah Lyles. We thought Noah Lyles with his top end speed would have tried to come back, but he was not able to reel in Oblique Seville, who has shown this season that he's the one to beat. I think the first man below 9.90 seconds this season World lead at 9.82. No other runner so far this year has gone fast as he embraces coach Glenn Mills, who I know was upping him up for this particular meet. Oblique Seville, a man for the moment. The question is, can he read this in Paris? You see a good start here for Seville. He's in lane 3, third from right. Lyles in the middle. Hughes back at this moment, but look at Seville cruising. Lyles fighting himself, lactic biting, and Omanyala appears to have finished third in this one as well. This race lived up to its billing. Concentration on the face of Oblique Seville. Look at that, cruising, form is there. The legs were dropping a bit. Oh, he looked across that Lyles. Slowing down, could have gone faster, Spencer.
Absolutely, Donald. 982, 985. Seville from gate to wire. 982, Lyles, 986. Omanyala, 1002. The perfect fitting ending to this, the sixth staging of the race of Prix.
100 meters. Sashin Dennis there going in lane 1.
Sashin Dennis, 10.04 personal best achieved in qualifying last night. Finally running for Jamaica, looking to make his first team.
Now it's Sandre Davison in lane number 2.
On the cusp of sub 10, he ran 10 flat last night.
Raheem Ford goes in lane 3.
A World Championships 4x1 bronze medalist from last year, one of 3 who made it on that team. 9.95 at his best, 10.02 in qualifying last evening.
There we see the world indoor 60-meter bronze medalist from Dynamic Speed, Akeem Blake.
At 9.95 last night, he's at his best. That was his season's best, having done 10 flat earlier. He has a PB of 9.89.
In lane number 5, Kadrian Golson from Sprint Tech.
9.94 at his best, 10.12 from the Sprint Tech camp, and he also a World University Games gold medalist.
And here in lane number 6, 9.82 in the prelims, Kishane Thompson.
Kishane Thompson came in with a PB of 9.85 last year. He ran 9.91. He is now the sixth fastest Jamaican man in history with Oblique Seville.
And in lane number 7 from Adidas, Jelani Walker.
Jelani Walker, 10 seconds flat PB set a few years ago, 10.21 in qualifying, a 4x1 World Championship finalist in 22.
And in lane number 8, Elite Track Club, Nigel Ellis.
Great as a junior, now trying to complete his transition. He ran 10.13 to get to the final, to the semi-final.
So the joint fastest Jamaican this year is Kishane Thompson. He is in lane 6. News emerging, I say overnight, but earlier today, that Thompson's coach, Stephen Francis, was upset about his recovery being interrupted by doping control officers last night. Didn't leave and get home until 1:30 in the morning, but here he is, competing from lane 6. So it's Dennis, Davison, Ford, Blake, Golson, Thompson, Walker, Ellis. Set position, sent away cleanly, and look at that start from Kishane Thompson. Akeem Blake trying to go with him. It's Kishane Thompson and Akeem Blake. Kishane Thompson pushes ahead. Kishane Thompson stops the clock at 9.80.
Finals.
They've asked about the future of Jamaican sprinting, and the men's side, it's ripe and healthy. 4 men under 23 years old in this final.
Fireworks in the making once again. You can feel the level of anticipation gripping this contest. Men's 100-meter final. Set. Up. Seville and Thompson got away like rockets. Seville looks imperious. Thompson looks imperious and commanding as well. Kishane Thompson steps to the fore and gets there. 9.73. Oh, goodness gracious me. It's a new stadium record. New world leading. Absolutely stunning. 9:77 the official time. It is still a new world leading, a massive new personal best. Kishane Thompson again sends an ominous message. This man is on fire. What a stupendous performance. A stunning, scorching, and superlative display of sprinting. Seville second, 982, equaling his personal best. What a race we just saw. Third going to Akeem Blake, 9.92. That's your top three.
Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Lost for words, lost for description. What a way to close day number 2. He looked in spanking form. Went through the line. Here, great start on the inside for Jelani Gordon. Got up very well. Oblique Seville got a good start. Kishane Thompson now trying to reining Oblique Seville, and he pulls up to his shoulder. Big, powerful and strong. Kishane Thompson looks around at Oblique Seville and eases down through the line.
Welcome back once again, guys. Every time Jamaica steps on the track, the world watches. There is something about the green, gold and black that makes the stadium electric. From the streets of Kingston to the global stage, Jamaican athletes carry a fire that no one else can match. And 2025 is proving that the flame still burns bright. People thought Jamaica's dominance might fade after Bolt retired. But oh no, the new generation is hungry. We have seen names like Alana Reid, Brianna Lyston, and Jaydon Hibbert pushing limits and breaking barriers. They are showing the world that Jamaica isn't just holding on to its past. It's building the future. Every time these young stars line up, you feel that same magic that Bolt brought to the track. That same watch me do this confidence. Of course, the challenge is real. The USA is stronger than ever. Shakari Richardson, Melissa, and others have raised the bar. But Jamaica has never been afraid of a fight. This rivalry is what makes the sport beautiful. When Jamaica and the USA clash, it's not just about winning. It's about who owns the track. And that's why this season is must watch. Let's talk about the races. Because Jamaica's performance this year have been electric. We have seen stunning 100-meter finishes, incredible 200 meters comebacks, and relay teams that are finding their rhythm again. The men's side is rebuilding, but the women's division, they are rewriting the script. Fans are already calling it the rebirth of Jamaican sprinting. And if you have seen the recent Diamond League meets, you know exactly what I mean. Jamaicans, this is your reminder. Never count out your athletes. Never forget where the greatness began. You have inspired generations across the globe. Kids who dream of wearing that flag because of what you build. Right now, the world might be focused on other stars, but trust me, Jamaica's comeback is leading. The next big moment is closer than you think. And when it happens, the roar from this island will shake the world again. So Jamaicans, keep watching, keep believing, and keep that fire alive. Because when Jamaica runs, the world steps to watch. If you're proud of what your athletes are doing, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic track moments, and drop a flag in the comments to show your support.